Welcome back to the Ceiling Fan Championship 2017. It's round 4, and let's dive straight into the contestants. Introductions. First up we have Genesect, who I've heard just wants to go home. Please, Genesect, show us which drive you have. A shock drive. Very good. I'm sure we'll be in for an electrifying performance. Next up we have A Little Pony. I'm not familiar with The Little Ponies. Are you Rainbow Dash? Pinkie Pie? Do you have a name? You tell us what it is? Shy, quiet type. Could be Fluttershy. Third up we have the Gruffalo. Hello everybody, I am the Gruffalo, and for some reason I am scared of mice. There don't seem to be too many in the audience. There's a little grey one over there. Ah! An electric mouse! Electric mouse! Run away! Run away! Gruffalo! Gruffalo, come back! Come back! Oh, why? It's so terrifying! Yeah, but it's just in the audience. You don't have to go up against it. Oh, well, all right then. And fourth up this week, our returning contestant, Angel.
Alright fellas, I'm Angel and I'm here to try again to win the last piece of fudge in the universe. Which has disappeared. Where could it have gone? You know, if it's not found, what's the point in playing at all?
Bragging rights?
Fair enough.
Stitch, your time is up. I've been planning to build another Death Star, and with the money Ramsay Bear is offering us, I can finally do it. Now, I'm sending in my vast army of Imperial soldiers. You don't stand a chance.
He's sending a whole Imperial army. How can I possibly win against so many? Well, that was surprisingly easy.
Curses, foiled again. How will I ever rule the Milky Way? Oh, thank you.
After checking our audience, it turns out that Arceus was guarding the fudge in a parallel dimension somewhere. I was hiding the fudge in the disco dimension! Disco time! No, Arceus, not disco time, not just yet. Okay! Assisting us today is Professor Poke. Say hello, Professor Poke. Hello, everybody. I'm Professor Poke, and I know all about Pokemon. Yes, well, we'll do your segment afterwards. Right now, could you show us what you can do, Professor Poke? Certainly. There we go. It's turning. Super. And can I turn it off? Perfect. Well, Professor Poke's all set, so let's get everyone onto the fan. First up, Genesect and his shock drive. Next up, we have the Little Pony, whose name I don't know. Oh, we're up. Okay. Third contestant this week, the Gruffalo, who's managed to get that hand out of his bottom. And last but not least, Angel, who has the voice of an angel. Alright, Professor Poke, we're going to keep our eyes squarely on the fan. 3, 2, 1, begin! And it's level pegging at the minute. Yeah, all holding on very tight. We've lost 2. Oh, the Gruffalo there in a decisive victory. So, everyone's back on terra firma. And Angel, any words?
None whatsoever.
Those were a few words.
Oh, I suppose you're right.
Genesect? I suppose that wasn't a legendary performance, but he did quite well. Pinky Shy, you truly have no words for this, do you? You have words? Oh, you were just agreeing with me. All right then. Well, maybe next time. Go and join the audience. And finally, our winner, the Gruffalo. Gruffalo, can you tell us about your winning strategy? I just held on very, very tight. All right then. Well, we'll meet up with you in just a minute. Truly, there has been no more epic battle fought over a ceiling fan and a single bar of fudge. And we'd like everyone to return next week, where our finalist lineup consists of our monkey. Hello everybody, I think I found the fudge. I've ordered it online. It's coming. It'll be here one day soon, hopefully, I hope. Okay. From round 2, Woody, the dog. Howdy, fellas. Thank you very much. Yeah, I don't really know what he's going for there. Mrs. Ramsey Bear. This is actually my real voice. It's a lot more dulcet than before, and hopefully it will be a lot easier on the ear, if not my throat, because, whoo, goodness me, that was a terrible cold I had. But I'm all better now, and I reckon I can win very, very easily, yes. Plenty of confidence there from Mrs. Ramsey Bear. And the Gruffalo. I can win! I feel great! I can do this! Let's just hope we don't get sued by Akira Toriyama then. So, please join us next week for the final of the Ceiling Fan Championship 2017.
Whereabouts? Just here. I need someone else to do it.
Just there.
Yes, please.
Wait, hang on. How am I supposed to sit down here?
Hang on. Right. I'll sit here, and you hold the camera there, just so I'm in shot. Very good. Now, are we recording? That's, right. Am I in the center of the shot?
Yes.
That's perfect then. Okay. Can you see this hand at the bottom?
No.
No. All right then. Okay. Now, recording. Let's do it. Right. Makeup. Where's makeup? Right. Okay.
You say people gonna die? Misa Jaja Binks. Misa love the precious.
Oh, I failed.
Yeah, try and get him to land in the bowl.
In the bowl.
Face down if possible.